Well guys, I'm fixing to take you on a little video walking tour of the Jubilee Casino here on the Carnival Jubilee. It has a smoking and a non-smoking side, so I'm going to take you on the non-smoking side first and show you the slot machines and the table games. Then we'll go over on the smoking side and take a look at it. Now, this is a port day, so there's nobody in here, or not many people. I don't want to disturb anybody, but at the end I'll try to throw a little clip in, show you what it looks like full. So let's go in and check it out. As we walk in the door to the back, there's a little room back here clear at the back. I'm going to walk in here and show you it first. I call it the buffalo room. It's not all buffalo machines, but you can see along this wall a whole lot of them are. It's just a small room back here, got a few machines in it, and you can kind of sit here if you see one of these windows and kind of look out over a bar. All right, let's walk into the main casino. Again, we're on the non-smoking side. There we've got the Huff and Puffs. There's some of the old style type games. That's the new Huff and Puff. People that's wondering if they got one of them money cranes, there's one. Looks like they got a couple of roulette tables here at the end. There's Blackjack. Like they got a craps table right over here. Kind of swing around and give you an idea of what it looks like where I came from. Well, they cleaning in here, so I'll kind of give you an idea. There's the old dragon link, lion link, old chickens, there's buffaloes. Got some machines up here to break bills, and here's the cashier down here on the end. All right, I'm going to turn around and I'm going to head over to the smoking side. Right here between the smoking and non-smoking side, they got the casino bar. Got the old Huff and Puff. Like I say, it's a port day, so a lot of the machines are off. There's the old coin trio game, firecracker game. Walk up through the tables in the smoking side. Heads up, hold 'em. It's like over here they got a couple of roulette, well, they got one roulette table over on the smoking side, Blackjack. I'll go to the end, turn around, kind of give you an idea of what it looks like. Well, for you Texas Hold'em players, there's not a Texas Hold'em table on this ship. I'm sorry to hear that. I've been on the Breeze and the Dream. There wasn't any on it in the last year either, so I don't know why they're taking them off. It's got to be a money thing, but just want to let you Texas Hold'em players know, and I'm one of them, that there is no Texas Hold'em machines or no Texas Hold'em tables on the Carnival Jubilee. All right, that's pretty much gives you an idea of what the casino looks like, the smoking and non-smoking. Here's the door to go out. I said I'd walk through and show you what it looks like with everybody in here. I'm not going to stop, I'm just going to walk through. It gets pretty crowded. That's about as far as I'm going to go. There's the bar. Well, I sure hope you enjoyed that little walking tour of the Jubilee Casino. Hey, if you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Till next time, happy cruising.